Hi, I'm Joseph Erzavian with VMware, and I'm joined with our good friend and guest, Davide Di Labio from Skycure. Thanks for joining us, Davide.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So, for our friends that don't know, can you tell us a little bit about Skycure and what you guys do?
Sure. I'll introduce myself first as well. I'm Davide Di Labio. I'm responsible for alliances, and as you know, we've been working together for a long time, and we're very happy and proud to be here and be working with you today. Skycure, at the end of the day, is in the business of mobile threat defense. You know, we feel that there's been a lack of investment from protecting this mobile endpoint, right? This mobile endpoint is being used more and more, and if you think about the investment that's been made in protecting other endpoints, it pales in comparison to the mobile device. So Skycure uniquely has the ability to identify and protect against threats like malware-based threats or network-based threats and OS vulnerabilities, and we're able to do this with a public app. And not only do we identify the threats to the mobile device, but we also protect. And protection can be either out-of-the-box technologies that we offer or leveraging our partnership that we have with AirWatch.
Right. And we've seen tremendous success with our joint customers. What is the secret to our success?
Yeah, I'll tell you, it's a multi-pronged success, right? We've seen the market change and move, and the market has given us great indicators that there are organizations are realizing that they need to invest in mobile threat defense. We are seeing analysts that are often talking more about this concept of mobile threat defense. And we've invested in the partnership, right? When I first started 3.5 years ago, our early wins and our early strategy was to target AirWatch customers. And we have great customers like Aetna and RNDC, to mention a few. So the fact that we've invested in a technological partnership has enabled us, as the market matured, to get great momentum today. Also, our customers. Our joint customers, are great champions of Skycure and AirWatch, right? We have videos out there published by Aetna and RNDC, and they are championing Skycure and our joint strategy in the field. So that is being shared and being heard by our joint opportunities, and is helping us in the field.
Excellent. Can you speak to a joint lighthouse customer and how they're using the solutions?
Yeah. So RNDC is a really good example, right? RNDC has been, it's the second largest liquor distribution company in the world, and they were an AirWatch customer, and a good AirWatch customer. And we met them at an event, and we talked to them about the threats to the mobile device. And they loved the fact that we were able to identify and protect against these threats, and then mitigate with an investment that's already there, right? Leveraging the AirWatch platform to manage and mitigate the threats that Skycure was able to identify. In this particular case, they were very much became aware of the threats to the organization. Skycure helped them become aware of the threats to the organization. They realized that the threats to the organization were more than just the managed devices that they already had. They bought from Skycure, and it sparked more additional cross-sells and upsells for AirWatch as well.
Wonderful. And can you speak to what's next for the relationship, for the integration?
Yeah, so it's continued to grow, right? So, you know, a stat that I like to use in the field is it's 39% of security professionals claim that security is the biggest obstacle for mobile adoption, right? This is what Skycure solves. Addressing that concern and fear around using the mobile device more. We solve this, which will mean more mobile usage, which means more work for us to do in the field. We're not just stopping there, though, right? We are not just focusing on our EMM integration. We're going to be focusing on doing more in-field collaboration, continuing to leverage our customers to guide our story and guide our partnership. But we also see there's a lot of work being done around Workspace ONE. And Workspace ONE is a very key strategy for VMware, and we have made efforts to already start having conversations around how we can leverage that partnership at that level as well.
Wonderful. Well, we appreciate you joining us here at Mobile World Congress, and we look forward to continuing to work together.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.